Hey guys, it's Kathy from Kathy's Jewelry and Crafts. Today I'm coming on just to show you how to make a simple pair of wooden earrings on the xTool D1 laser. I will be downloading a file from Creative Fabrica to make these earrings. I will also show you how I paint them or color them, and that's it. So let's begin. First thing I need to do is go to Creative Fabrica and get my file. And I know the name is initial tags. So I type that in the search bar and then I hit enter. There are 12 different initial tags, but I only want this one. So then I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to hit the download button. And then it'll download to my download folder, which is right here. I will double click on that. And then you have a choice between a PNG, SVG, or DXF. I like using the DXF when I'm using xTool Creative Space. So that's what I'm going to use. Let me minimize that. And then I'm going to drag this file to my desktop. And of course, I have a bunch of them there, so it actually went in the folder. But that's okay, because I've been downloading them today, so I have one. So here's one right here. And I'm just going to drag it to the Creative Space. And it will put them all there for you. But I only need the P today. So I'm going to get rid of all the rest just by, not that. Let me undo that. So I'm just going to highlight them. If I can get between it. There we go. And get all of these out. I don't want the P, so I may have to do that again. Let's see. Yep, it did the P too. So let's do right here. And let's take all those out. All right, there we go. All right, then I want to do the A, B, and C out. I don't need these. And this doesn't mess up your file. You just can get another one if you want to. And then I'm going to take out the N and O. And now I'm left with my P. You want to make sure you didn't leave any straggly lines left. So if you highlight it and it makes a big giant box, you know you got something else still on the screen. But I don't, so I'm just going to select all and move it up to the top. Now I know the size earrings I want is 50 millimeters. And so I'm going to change that to 50. And then all the rest will change accordingly. And then I need 2. So I'm going to select all. And I'm going to make a copy. And then I'm going to paste it. So now I have my 2 earrings. I'm going to select all again. And I'm just hitting the Command key and the A on my keyboard. And then I make sure you have cut selected so it'll turn purple. And then I want to change this to plywood because I'm using some coasters, some square coasters I buy from Amazon. I will leave a link for that below. And I want to do user define, and I want 100 here and 4 here for speed. 1 pass is fine. And that's it. That's how you set it up on the screen. And now I will go to the laser and show you how it cuts out. But before I do, I just want to mention Creative Fabrica is a great resource. You pay like $59.99 a year, and you could download almost anything you could imagine: pictures, planners, letters, fonts, and you can. They have millions, and so all day long you could go and download stuff. So I always check there first before I go to Etsy and actually purchase something, because usually they have it there. So, okay, now I'm going to go over to my laser and I'll show you how to cut them out and how I finish them. All right, see you in a few. All right, I'm back. I'm in the room with my laser and I have it ready to cut. So let me click on process. And I'm not going to frame it because I've done a bunch of these today. And I'm just going to press start. Now I have to go over to the machine and hit the flashing button and it will start. As you can see, it's cutting it out. And like I was telling you earlier, I buy these little coasters from Amazon and I love them. If I were making 45mm earrings, I could cut 2 on one, but because I'm doing 50, I have to do 1 on each one. So I have it right in front of my window. I normally have a fan here too, a retractable fan, but it stopped working, so I will have to get a new one. So right now the window seems not to be leaving any smoke in the room. So it's cutting it out, and it does it rather fast. I think it takes, like, for this file, it takes about 2.5 minutes to cut that P out. And then I'll take it over to the table and show you how I color them. I won't show you how I put the hooks on there because most people know how to do that part. So, but I will show you how I decorate them. All right, we're almost done. Right, we're at 2:05, 2:07. So it's probably going to take about 3.5 minutes actually. I was doing the outline now, so maybe it'll be under 3. And I'm not staring directly into the laser. I'm actually staring into my phone, so I don't want to mess up my eyes. Even though my glasses are tinted, I don't like looking into that laser. Let's see, get a better look. It's going all the way around and it's cutting it. When I lift it, it'll just fall through. So, let's see. I think it does the outside one twice and everything else once. So we're at 3:06 right now, 3 minutes, 6 seconds, but it's just about finished. And these are very popular. I sell these all the time. It is now finished, so I'm going to move it out the way. And then I'm going to lift it up so you can see that it just falls right through. Sometimes it gets stuck right here, but for the most part, it falls through and then this pops out. And I'm trying to use one hand so that I can hold the camera with the other one. Alright. There we go. And there's our earring. I'll kind of sand it a little bit to get those little birds out of there, but for the most part, it's out of there. And then the part where the earring hook goes, I'm going to have to stick a little pin in there to get that one out. But alright, so I will go over to the table, get that set up, and I will show you how I paint them. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm over at the table, and I just take a Sharpie, a permanent marker. You can get those on Amazon, or you can buy them at Sam's Club, which I like because you get a whole pack of every color for like $19.99. But I just color them in like this. And I do 2 coats. I'm trying to keep my hand out the view. I do 2 coats. And then when I'm done with that, I spray them with polycrylic, and I do 2 coats of that. You can also find that on Amazon. And here's some of that are already finished. Actually, I got to turn them over and spray the other side. So I did 2 different sizes so my customer can choose which one she wants, which size she wants. These are slightly smaller than these, as you can see. They're slightly smaller. So hopefully I didn't get this size messed up. But basically all I have to do now is put a jump ring or bell there. I see I missed a little spot. And an earring hook. And we've got ourselves a pair of earrings. All right. This has been Kathy from Kathy's Jewelry and Crafts. Please hit the like button, the notification bell, and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.